All right, here's question number 2 of this lesson 101B. They gave us this exponential expression. That's how we call these math problems that do not have an equal sign and it contains exponents. We call it exponential expression. They gave us 12 to the 9th power times 12 to the 12th power divided by 12 to the negative 7th power. So here's what you're going to do, okay? You're going to work this by parts. We're going to, step number 1, we're going to start with the top. We have a multiplication up here. And using the product rule, okay, this one. Basically, when you multiply powers with the same base, the base here is 12, you're going to keep the base. I'm going to keep the 12. And what I'm going to do with these two exponents is I'm going to add them. So 9 plus 12, you can use the calculator if you want. That will be 21. Okay? And I already simplified the top. Okay, so 12 to the 21st power is what I highlighted in yellow. That will be the answer at the top. Now we still have the 12 to the negative 7 on the bottom. Now, we need to keep simplifying until we cannot simplify more. Remember, that's something very common in math. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to divide 12 to the 21st power divided by 12 to the negative 7th power. And now I'm going to use this rule here, the quotient rule. Quotient means division, and that's what I'm doing here. So what the rule says, every time you're dividing powers with the same base, my base is 12, you keep the base. See, I kept it. And what you're going to do is you're going to subtract the exponent of the top. We're going to subtract the exponent of the bottom. And I hope you see how I wrote that. You can take your calculator, okay? I strongly suggest you use this calculator called Decimals that is going to show up on your screen in a few seconds. Okay, there it is. And do it in the calculator. All right, 21. Okay, subtract negative 7. And you're going to see the answer is 28. So my answer here is going to be 12 to the 28th power. And that's it. That's all what you have to do in this problem.